Okay. So here into do is yeah, children, no one is off the camera. Only Rasul is on. Yeah, you can see Rasul. Praharshan, what happened to you these days?
Sir, I'm
Full.
having three boards.
What do you have?
Three boards.
So pre-board, but why you're not on the camera due to pre-boards?
Wait, sir, no, sir, I'll on.
So seventh question, how you have done, Praharshan? How you have done?
I substituted the value like m place of x and I got 0.
Achha, directly you can do that, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So Rasul, you also getting the first answer only?
Sir, can you explain seventh one?
See what Praharshan is telling, that directly you put the value of m in the equation and that should come equal to 0. If directly you put the equation, this suppose instead of x you put m. So what you get? X square minus 3m and minus m square and minus 3, right, Praharshan?
Yes.
Here is also m square only. Instead of x we are putting m. So m square will get cancelled.
Sir, it's 3 right, sir.
How we are
minus,
getting?
Sir, minus m squared into m squared is minus m squared. M is minus m squared. Minus m squared into 3 is minus 3m.
How this is? M is not coming at all, right?
Minus m it should be.
So like that you check in this. So where is m? That is wrong option. This is wrong option. This is also wrong. You should check with minus m. Now minus m is both sides. So you should check plus m plus 3. Minus m put 100% 0 only will come. So m is cancel, means you should check b or d. Again b and d don't check for minus m, because minus m will be sure only. The second part you check, put m plus 3. The m plus 3 whole square minus 3 into m plus 3, again minus m into m plus 3. So m plus 3 whole square, you can take common if you want. M plus 3 you can take common. So m plus 3 minus 3 and minus m. It got 0. Understood? So your answer is what? B option. Is it clear? Drishi, it's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me ninth question. Ninth question. Alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic and the quadratic polynomial f.
15 by 4.
15 by 4, A option.
Minus B option.
Minus 15 by 4, okay. Rasul, you?
I mean, sir, it's the A option. I got confused with this.
Hey, don't you should solve person. How much you solve, that
I
much you
mean,
get.
sir, I didn't see the minus sign over there. That's
Acha. Answer should be plus 15 by 4.
yes.
Okay, fine. Same answer you're getting, Adarsh?
Will not do it, sir.
Will not
Sir,
do.
I got 15 by 4.
15 by 4. Okay. You are not getting Adarsh?
I'm getting, sir. but I did not.
Okay, what you are doing, alpha plus beta, what you got, Adarsh? Tell me. Alpha, beta and alpha, beta. Alpha plus beta and alpha, beta. What you are getting, Adarsh? Tell me.
I know, but I didn't do, sir.
Then which method you are applying then? Then how you are trying? Which method? Have you have any different methods for to solving this?
No, sir.
So minus b by a, that is minus b is nothing but 1 only. And a is that only. Alpha plus beta is 1 only, Praharshan.
Yes.
And alpha beta is minus 4. So if you solve this part, you'll get alpha beta here. And here you'll get alpha plus beta and minus alpha beta. So 1 by 4 minus 4. So you're getting minus 15 by 4. How people are getting 15
So
by 4?
minus 4 is minus alpha plus beta, so it's gonna be plus, and here it's actually minus b by c.
Like this.
So like minus 1 by 4 plus 4, so it's gonna be plus 15 by 4.
That's correct. Adarsh, you got the same answer. Adarsh, are you getting this or not?
So
Next question, number 10th. The value of the polynomial x to the power 8 minus x to the power 5 plus x square minus x plus 1 is what? Value of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial x to the power 8 minus x to the power 5 plus x square minus x plus 1 is what?
Positive for all the
Always positive, right? Huh?
yes, sir.
Because see, x to the power 8 is maximum over here. This will what? It will be plus or minus, it will be minus only all the time. So this will be positive because all these powers, this is also positive. So obviously this will not come. This is positive only all the time. So positive for all real numbers. Positive for all real numbers, correct. Real numbers plus 1 or minus 1, whatever it is, it will come always positive for all real numbers. Lowest value. How do you find the lowest value, children, here? Lowest value of x square plus 4x plus 2. What is the lowest value here? 0, 0, if you put, you'll get 2. Okay. Minus 1, if you put, 1 minus 4 plus 2. Minus 1, if you put here, what do you get? Minus 4 plus 2. So here 1, you'll get minus 1 here. Minus 2 square, if you do, the minus 2 square is 4. Minus
Sir, it's
8.
b.
Huh?
It's
B.
b. Because you're getting minus 2.
If you're putting minus 2 over here, you're getting you're-
Minus 2 in the end.
So minus 2. If you're putting here minus 2 over there, then we're getting minus 2. Like that only, you can just check. Cubic polynomial is, I think, removed from your syllabus now. Cubic polynomial.
Yes.
See, this question is there. 12th one. Just check. Tell me these questions. This question is there, Praharshan, or not? First, you tell me that one.
Sir, all cubic are removed, but we can solve it easily.
Yeah, all cubic has it. Don't you just you can solve, right? Find the value of k. How will get the value of k? Tell me, Praharshan.
Substitute 6 in place of x and you can get the value.
X value, y are 6, you are putting the sum of zeros they are saying here. Sum of the zeros. So why you should put x equal to 6?
Sir, because it's easier that way. Because it's even if it's sum of the zeros, it's a zero of the polynomial, right? So it's
Acha. Sum of the zeros of the polynomial. How will become? Suppose sum of the polynomial is, suppose zeros are minus 2 and 1. Sum is also that polynomial only. If you add this minus 1, this is also 0 only. Praharshan, tell me. You mean to say that if 2 sum is given to you, it means that is also a 0 of the polynomial. Suppose first 0 is -2, second 0 is 1. So both you add, it become -1. Minus is also must be 0 only. Tell me, Praharshan, is it correct? It's not sure,
Yeah.
no.
That's what I always do.
So you can't put here x is equal to 6 directly. Anyway, this is not there for you.
No. So, but then if they give us quadratic polynomial, then how it is?
So here sum of the zeros means you are having alpha beta, right? Alpha, beta and gamma will come in this case, right?
Yes.
So alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is equal to 6 they have given, right?
Yes. Sir.
Then further, Rasul, you can do what to do further in this case.
Okay. So then substitute the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma.
So alpha plus beta, you know, gamma value, you know, don't know, right?
I think it's C by,
C by A.
sir, I don't remember, minus D by A or C by A. I mean, I think it's C by A because D is
What is, yeah, what is sum of the zeros in cubic polynomial?
C by A, I think.
That only is given. So here 6 is equal to C by A, right? So 6 is equal to C by A. C minus B by A, then C by A and minus D by A. Did you remember this?
Yes.
So no, here it is coming minus B by A, not C by A. If you see alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is for this one, okay? This is for alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha.
Sum of the product.
Yeah, and this is your alpha beta gamma. So 6 is given for minus B by A. So 6 is equals to minus B. Minus B is 3k divided by 2. So k is equals to 4. So answer is what? 4. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So next
Sir, can you
question.
once again explain?
See, you have not read this cubic polynomial. No, in cubic polynomial, we are having three equations. One is alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma, which formula is minus b by a. Okay, Rasul.
Yes, sir.
Second one is alpha, beta, beta, gamma, and gamma alpha. This one is c by a. And if third one is coming like alpha, beta, gamma, if you product these three, is coming minus d by a. So in this case, we are having sum of these zeros. So it will be this one, alpha plus beta plus gamma, that one. So that is nothing but what? Minus b by a formula. Got it?
Yes.
And then you put the value of a, b, c, d. So here, see, a is 2. A is what? 2. B is minus 3k. C is 4. C is 4 and D is equals to minus 5. So put the value of B and A and get the answer. It's clear.
Yes.
Next question is question number 13th. If the square, this is a bit different question. Question number 13, you check, children. Question number 13. Say this. If the square of the difference of the zeros, if the square of the difference of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial is this much, then find the value of p. Then find the value of p. Find the value of p. Prarshan, others, why off your cameras? Who can find this answer?
So we can take fx equal to x square plus bx plus 45.
Rasul?
So we can take fx equal to x square plus bx plus 45.
Acha.
Then alpha plus beta equal to minus p by 1. That is equal to minus p. Alpha beta equal to 45 by 1. That is 45.
Okay. After this,
Then we'll take alpha minus beta whole square equal to 144. Then like we'll solve.
acha. हाँ.
Sir, I got so D option.
This one.
Yes, sir, 18.
If the square of the difference of the zeros, a square of the difference of the zeros means like what do you mean to say? Like this you are saying, this one or different thing, or this one? Which one you have solved,
So
Rasul?
second one, sir.
So square of the difference का square करना है, तो first you should find the difference. The difference is alpha minus beta or beta minus alpha, anything we can take. Okay, alpha minus beta or beta minus alpha whole square you can take. Okay, so how to find alpha minus beta, Rasul?
Sir, alpha minus beta whole square equal to 144.
Achha, 144 they have given only. So alpha minus beta is equals to plus minus 12, right?
Yes.
Then you have to find the value of p. So how to find the value of p over here? Rasul, how to find the value of p?
So then alpha plus beta whole square minus 4ab equal to 144. Then minus p whole square minus 4 to the bracket 45 equals to 144.
Hmm.
Then p square equals to 144 plus 180, that is 324.
And p is equals to plus minus 18, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is a long procedure we have to do. See, children, can you understand this or not?
Isn't there a shortcut way to do it?
Shorter method you want?
It's gonna be
So-
too consuming, sir, and we have to remember the alpha plus beta squared minus 4.
This one you are getting confused. How to get this one, right? See,
Yes.
mainly see whatever you are getting in the value over here. This should always be in the form of this only. Without this, you can't solve any question because you know only sum of the roots and product of the zeros. Okay. So whatever is given over here, first of all, you have to convert into what? Alpha plus beta and alpha beta only. Remember that. So how to convert? You have to know the tricks and all. Then only just see alpha minus beta whole square, what you can do. What you should remove? Suppose here, if you expand, this will come alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. And alpha plus beta whole square, if you do, what do you get? You will get here
P squared.
You'll get alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, right?
Yes.
So see the difference in this one. What you should do in this one you are having with you. So what you should do in this case so that you will get this one, correct? Or what you should do in alpha, actually you should bring from here to here, this to this, right? So in alpha plus beta whole square, if you remove minus 4 alpha beta, then only this will come or not. So this
Yes.
is the basic concept of class 8th and all. But see here, like that only should do. That's why we have put here alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha. And this is already we have done in NCERT also. So minus p whole square, same thing. Now it's clear, right?
Yes.
So next question is question number 14th. See this question. If one of the zero is given here, this is x square form. So this is very easy. Find the value of k. This is simply putting the value, getting the answer, right? What is the answer for this? Tell me, all of you. So this 15th one is not required. It's very easy question, right? I'm not writing this for 15th one. What is the answer for this 14th one? You got the answer, Rasul?
No, sir.
Okay. Praharshan,
So I took the wrong number.
what you're saying, Praharshan?
Sir, it's 2 by 3.
It's 2 by 3.
Yes.
Okay. Rasul, you are not getting? Adarsh? One value is -3. So minus k minus 1. Minus 3 square will get 9 only. Minus 3k. Why it becomes smaller and all? So k minus 1 into 9 minus 3k plus 1 is equals to 0. So can you solve this? 9k minus 9 minus 3k plus 1 is equals to 0. So 6k is equals to minus 8. Sorry, plus 8. So k is equals to 8 by 6 and answer is 4 by 3. It's coming 4 by 3. How you got 2 by 3, Praharshan?
Sir, I got 4 by 9. So I got 2 by.
9 you will get. See,
I got 8 by 18.
18. See
8
here,
by 8.
I have done mistake anywhere or you have done mistake? Just check. See, k minus 1 as it is I wrote. Then I wrote 9. Minus 3 square is 9 only.
Sir, I made a mistake. I took the kx as 9 instead of 3k. I took 9.
Okay. So answer is 4 by 3. Next, if the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is this much are 2 and minus 3, then a and b, what is the value of a and b? Can you find this? This is easy, no? 16th one. Sixteenth one is easy, very, very easy. Who can find this? Tell me the answer. Adarsh, Praharshan, please on your camera. See, I'll remove you children if you are having like this problem. Drishi is not owning, that's why you people are offing, huh? You want Drishi to on. Drishi,
Sir, yeah.
Yes, sir.
on your camera is working, right?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
See, I should not excuse anybody. See, Praharshan is also off the camera.
My camera is on.
Yeah, your camera is on. I'm saying to Drishi that 299 into 13.
So can you explain this question?
Yeah, Drishi, you know how to solve.
Yes, sir.
Tell how to do.
So 2 minus 3 will be a plus 1. And then,
2 minus 3 will be a plus 1.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Then minus 1 will be a plus 1. And then a will be 0. No, a will be minus 2.
Okay. Next.
And then minus 6 is b.
Minus 6 is B. Okay. See, Praharshan and Rasul, what to do is only you should apply the formula alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay. So alpha plus beta formula already you know, minus B by A. And what she has done, she has just summed up some of the roots she has done over here. That is 2 and minus 3, that is minus 1. And A plus 1 is what? Minus B by A is 1 only, right? Then after solving here, A is equal to minus 2. Again, this is the product of the roots. Product of the root is what? 2 into minus 3. So minus 6 is equal to C by A. So answer is minus 6. All right, Praharshan.
But sir, the minus 2 is not there in the option.
Minus 2 is not there in the option. So what we need to do here? Everything is fine here, no? We have done mistake. Where we have done mistake, tell me. Where is the mistake over here, Drishi? Where is the mistake?
Sir, A is supposed to be minus 2 only.
No, where we have done, see the minus B thing we have done mistake. B is A plus 1. So minus B is minus A minus 1. So minus A minus 1. So A is equals to what will come? 0. A is equals to 0. So answer is 0, comma minus 6. So option D. Next question is question number 17th is the 0 of the quadratic polynomial, this one are both positive, both negative, one positive, one negative, both equal.
Both positive.
How both positive?
So because the x squared. Wait, actually, sir, let me.
Both positive, I think both negative. How we can do this? Why both negative, you know? If you do the splitting term over here, always you will get plus thing only. Both should be plus, right? If you are going to split this term, so what do you get? You will get both positive only. And if you made equal to 0, that will become what? Negative. So your answer is what? Both are positive or both are negative? Rishi, both are negative is correct answer. Both are
Sir, I
negative.
didn't understand how to do this.
You didn't understand how to do.
So what are the factors of 127? 127.
I don't bother only. What are the factors? Whatever the factors may be.
Sir, I
Both.
mean it's a prime, right?
It's a prime you are saying. So
Yes.
there is no option as such, no, like this. If it is like, you know, if you can't do anything, if it is come imaginary number, then there is option is imaginary number. If middle is plus, so this always factor of this bit will be what? Positive only. Why? Because this is positive. You should get positive only. You can't write 1 plus 1 minus. Either both minus you should write. Both minus will not become plus 99. Understood, Praharshan?
Yes.
This type of question, don't waste the time to find the factors and all. See here, both will be positive. If you write, then only positive will come. And moreover, if 1 plus and 1 minus you write, so the product will be negative. This product is positive. So you can't take 1 plus 1 minus, correct? Again, if you take both minus, then also product is positive only. But both minus is not possible. Why? Because this is plus 99. So both factors will be what? Positive. If both factors are positive, then both zeros will be what? Negative. You know that or not, Praharshan?
No,
Take, take one example. Suppose I'm taking x square plus 5x and plus 6. Okay. So what will come here is equal to 0. This is polynomial, so you remove this if you want. So x square plus 3x plus 2x you should write, Praharshan, and plus 6.
yes,
So on solving this, you will get always x is equal to minus 3 and minus 2, because here is plus 3 and here is plus 2. So answer is what? Minus 3 and minus 2. Solve this. Now you solve x plus 3 and here x common plus 2 x plus 3, then x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now try to make it 0. What will come? Minus 3 minus 2 will come.
yes.
So these are the shortcut thing which you should write. If both factors are positive, so your both zeros will be negative, like that.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Drishi, you understood before only, no?
Yes, sir.
Next one is question number zeros of c is not equal to 0. Assertion raising will be difficult, right? Assertion reasoning if you do. See, if the zeros of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, when c is not equal to 0 are equal, then c and a have opposite signs.
So C and I have same sign.
Are equal. Equal means what they should do. Same sign only. How you can say, Praharshan?
So C is positive and A, no matter what value you keep, it's gonna come positive.
C is positive. Where they have saying C is positive only all the time.
And so like over here, the positive sign is. So if you,
Acha. Huh.
and for A, like X, it doesn't matter because it's 2. And 0, if you take, you'll get positive. Like,
So you meant to say C and A have what? Same sign.
yes,
Is it correct, Drishi? Rasul? You are understanding the question. I'm not getting the question only. What is the question here? If the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are equal, zeros are equal, it means that alpha should be equal to beta, huh? Then both should have opposite sign only or negative sign. You are getting, Rasul, the question you are getting?
No, sir.
You, Drishi?
No, sir.
Drishi is knowing this, but this time she is telling no. I know. She don't want to explain. Correct, Drishi?
Sir, I actually don't know.
Praharshan, you have to explain to all of us. I also didn't understand.
their explanation is not a good thing.
Huh?
Like in quadratic equations is like A is not equal to 0, right? All the time.
Yeah.
So here instead of that, they put C is not equal to 0. So we can put 0 instead of A.
A you can put 0. This not, then it's not a quadratic polynomial only.
But they're not asking that, no, sir. They're just asking about the signs.
They have given here now. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then only we have to solve now. If A only becomes 0, then what you will solve? This is not quadratic then.
So then we can put 1 instead, like other numbers.
The
Correct.
numbers. You are having any clue, Adarsh?
No, sir.
No.
So just use Google, so it has a better explanation.
Better option is Google only.
Yes.
So let's check the solution. It says C is the correct answer.
C is the right answer.
Yes.
Okay. But how to solve? That is I'm asking. How to solve this?
So that also you can check. sir.
Alpha plus beta, you know, alpha plus beta and alpha beta. What are alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this case?
Sir, alpha plus beta is minus B by A.
Al-
Alpha beta is C by A.
okay. After this, both will be what? Are equal, they are saying. Equal means what to do? Hmm? Alpha beta C is not equal to 0, and here C is positive. C and A have opposite signs. C and B have opposite signs. What to do? What to do? How they have done, Rasul?
Sir, it's saying since alpha equal to beta, then alpha and beta must be of same sign. That is, either both are positive or both are negative.
Both are positive or both are negative?
Sir, then there is some case.
Acha. So both are positive means if you see both are positive means alpha beta should be greater than C by A, right? Alpha beta is greater than C means this is greater than C by A. Or alpha beta, if you multiply,
That they're using the quadratic equation,
1 minute,
the
if
discriminant part.
discriminant.
Yes, sir. They're like using the discriminant to find the answer. Like, b squared minus 4a equals to 0. B squared equals to 4ac.
1 minute, let me think.
So there is a video as well, sir, for the explanation.
So you have seen the video also.
No, sir, I mean, I just found it.
Acha, that we can do if we are not getting at all. Something we have to try first. Drishi, you are getting something.
No, sir.
Alpha and beta must be same sign because both should be positive or both are negative. C and A have same sign, or C and so C is not equal to 0. Rasul, you got? Rasul, you are getting?
No, sir.
Okay, children, they will discuss in the next class. Whatever it is, the answer will be okay. We can say by seeing the answer, we can even C and A have same sign, but why it's coming same sign over here? Your roots are equal means alpha and beta should be equal, right? Alpha and beta are equal. No idea. Not getting idea. And having air tell. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. Next question, we go for the next question. This is dumber questions given over here. Then value of P 17th over, then reasoning, assertion, reasoning. Have you done assertion reasoning question? Assertion reasoning? Till where you can do? You are now you are having Praharshan, the that CBSE MCQs you are having with you now.
Sir, the The PDF.
Yeah, PDF one.
Sir, yes. Sir.
Hmm. Polynomials. Who is mentioned over here? Next. Acha, Rasul has sent, right?
Send you the
Answer you have sent.
yes for that last question. 19.
Okay. Images you have sent. That you are saying last question, Rasul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we do that one next. No problem. 19th, we just keep on hold. One question.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Then next question. What we have to take? You are not getting any questions, children? Any questions you are not getting? From your doubt, you are not having only at all, right? No doubts. Direction 135 and 136. Direction 31, 32, 40, 41. Okay, this question all of you do. 142. See, this one of the zero quadratic polynomial is this much is a negative to the other, then the value of k. Actually, I'm getting something now, negative or the other. So here they are given equal. Zeros are equal means alpha and alpha only. Control Z you do, control Y. If zeros was equal means if here we write here alpha plus beta means only alpha is 2 alpha minus b by a, and alpha is alpha square is equals to c by a. This we want to in this way. 40 seconds sum who can do? 40 second you do 142. One of the zero is given. One of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is negative of the other. They've given. Means both are negative to each other.
Sir,
Means
is it 0?
0. You have solved, right? Then obviously it will correct if you have solved. Correct. How it is 0, Drishi? How you have done?
Sir, if one is alpha, if one of the 0 is alpha, and then the other will be minus alpha, and then the sum of them will be 0, and then that
Yeah.
is equal to minus b upon a. It's
So,
0.
so minus b is 42k square, right? By 14. So k is equal to 0. And if you do by alpha beta, so alpha minus alpha square will come. Minus alpha into alpha is equal to c by a. So there is no k value over there. Yeah, this answer is k is equal to 0 only then. This is the only option. Means what we can do. By product we can't do anything. बना रही हो? बन गया? Okay. Okay, children, we'll close for the day. Now what we do is I'm just posting here. You have to do 50 questions. Means right now we have done how many questions till here? We have done till 18th. No. So from 19th to 50 questions you should do. Can you do that? 50.
Sir, can I send it to you on Monday or something?
Not Monday. Next class again we should do na same chapter. So we'll just do further only.
Sir, I won't be able to join on Saturday.
Why?
Like, sir,
For 1 hour you are having this much. 1 hour you can't join. 1 hour what is the you'll go?
sir, I don't know on Saturday. I might or might not, and that's
So only 30 questions you can't solve and send.
Sir, I can solve them, but I mean, no pre-boards are gonna get them. Like it's a science exam, so I don't. That's the.
Okay, children, I'm sending it in the WhatsApp right now. And you know all the things what actually the PDF is and all. Till 58th, you have to solve and send me before Saturday, before the class. Okay. You can leave for the day, children, all of you now.
So from 19th to 58th.
Yeah, 19 to 50, 50. Yes.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
thank you.